If you live in Swansea, Cardiff, Newport or the South East Wales valleys, your drinking water starts its journey in the Brecon Beacons. It's collected in many rivers and reservoirs which have supplied our towns and cities with a reliable water source for generations. Today, these provide almost half of the high-quality drinking water we deliver to our customers every day. So you could call the Brecon Beacons a mega catchment for drinking water. It's not just water that makes our beacons extraordinary. Communities, biodiversity, agriculture, forestry and tourism all play their part in making it such an iconic landscape that provides so much for so many. Water is really important to us, but we recognise that other things are also important to you. So we've come up with an idea to work together, which will help the Brecon Beacons continue to thrive and build resilience for future generations. We want to turn it into a mega catchment for everyone. Put simply, we want to recognise how much this area provides for us at a landscape scale, rather than working on single-issue projects within boundaries nature doesn't recognise. We want to work together and co-create a common vision which will deliver the best possible outcomes for everyone who lives, works and benefits from the Brecon Beacons. By sharing ideas, knowledge, plans and enthusiasm, we can find opportunities to make our individual resources go further than ever before. By doing this, we will deliver so much more for the environmental, social, cultural and economic well-being of a sustainable Wales. So what do you think? Are you in?